And those large crowds in cities across America all weekend are raising new alarms among health officials, triggering worries of a potential spike in COVID-19 infections. I spoke earlier with Dr. Imran Ali. Dr. Ali, I want to thank you for joining us this morning. This weekend, cities around the country where we once saw empty streets after stay-at-home orders were put in place had thousands out protesting the death of George Floyd. In one of the cities, Atlanta, the mayor is now urging protesters to get tested for COVID-19. What are your thoughts about how this may affect the spread of the coronavirus?
Well, I first want to say this is a very difficult time in our country, and we really need to address a lot of issues. But protesting is one of our, most important parts of our democracy. But we have to do it safely. And I've been looking at the protesters. Some of them are wearing masks, but some of them aren't. And there's a lot of yelling, as can be expected with the emotions. And if you can see all of us becoming so close together, the social distancing aspect has been completely, neglected. But also just yelling, respiratory droplets become more wide and more increased, with yelling. They did actually a study on this. So when you yell up to 90 decibels, they measured that you can emit up to 53 particles in one breath when you're yelling, whereas only 6 particles of viral particles when you're speaking in a normal tone. And this is very disturbing when you have no masks, when you're all so close to each other and you're yelling. You really are creating a bad scenario for the virus to become more transmissible.
And as the country reopens, the superintendents of Los Angeles and San Diego schools issued a joint statement questioning whether they will be able to hold in-person classes in the fall, saying, quote, opening our schools will not be as easy as separating desks or placing pieces of tape on the floor. Are you surprised by this? And what do you think is the biggest hurdle that schools face right now when they reopen?
What we really need, Mona, is a robust testing program where we can do rapid tests and get rapid results in contact tracing. And we're not there yet. And we do have a couple of months before school starts in the fall. But it's going to take a lot of effort and a lot of funding and a lot of manpower to initiate this testing program.
And our thanks to Dr. Imran Ali there.